Here's a look at the amazing water slides at Great Wolf Lodge, Niagara Falls. So there's basically 4 tiers of water slides in the water park, and it's so much fun. Something for all ages. So on this level here, there's some kiddie rides that are very easy and fun. Then behind me over here, the orange and purple ones are a little bit tougher, but the little kids can still go down on their own as long as they're, I think it's 42 inches is the height. Lots of fun on those. And then at the other end of the park, behind this pavilion here, are I would say the major rides, and then the really extreme rides at the top of the stairs. So much fun for everybody. And I've been on every single ride. So let's start with one of the 4 tube rides. There's 3 yellow tube rides and 1 blue one. There are single-person tubes and double tubes, where one of the riders can actually be a youngster. The Eagle Falls ride goes outside and back in again. So cool.
Whoa! Oh, we're outside now because I can feel the cold through the walls. Whoa! 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 Oh, we're going around! I think we're back inside. There's the outside! Woo!
The Grizzly Falls ride is a bit faster, but lots of fun.
Go Grizzly Falls! Watch for my YouTube video. Oh, it's completely dark in here. Woo! Uh-oh. We're out in the trough. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, dark! Dark, dark, dark! I think we're coming out. I think we're coming out. Ah! That is so much fun.
And then the Canada Vortex. It throws you into this enormous toilet bowl. So cool. To get to the even more challenging rides, you take a different staircase, but at least you don't have to drag tubes up with you. The Woolly Mammoth is a family ride that can carry up to 5 people. Lots of fun, and a really big tube.
We're gonna scream. We're gonna scream just as loud. Hey guys, we're ready. Here we go. Oh, we're stuck. Ah! Oh no, we're going down backwards. Ah! Oh, uh-oh. Going down completely backwards. Where's the front of the boat? Oh crap!
Then there's the Niagara River Ride, also known as the Conveyor Belt Ride. This water slide is like a roller coaster and really fast.
So this fine lad is going to tell us what this ride's called.
It's called the Niagara River Rapids. It's a slide where you go down, minimum 2 people, and then you go down. There's conveyor belts along it, so it goes really fast. And then it's really bumpy, but really fun, and it's really fast.
Wow! Oh, I got wet. Holy cow! Where are we going? It's dark! Oh my god, it's so dark in here!
Finally, there's the ultimate water slide thrill, the Wolf Tail. You get into a transparent chamber and they yank the bottom out, so you drop about 30 feet straight down, around a few turns, and end up in a pool. Not for the faint of heart.
Yeah, so I just did the drop. Oh my god, that's amazing. What a great ride. You fall, I think, about 300 feet straight down, at least.
and then you go around and around and around 12 times, and then you fall in the bottom. Then it's fun.
So there you go, a quick run through the water slides at Great Wolf Lodge, Niagara Falls. Also in the water park is a fantastic wave pool, a lazy river, and tons of other ways to get wet.